Let's take a look at MRNA, Moderna stock. Of course, these are the guys that make the vaccine, or one of the vaccines anyways. There's Pfizer as well. And Pfizer, I think it's going to do well, too. I think it's going to be a good stock. Pfizer looking good. Maybe I should take a look at that as well. But let's take a look at Moderna. That's what I'm making the video for over here. Huge, like a parabolic move over here because they added it to the S&P 500. So many funds and stuff had to buy. A lot of shorts are getting squeezed. This stock is pushing quite hard. All-time high. Blue sky breakout. I would have a hard time recommending to buy here. While I do think it could push higher, I do think it is quite a bit overextended. It's quite a bit overbought on the RSI. There was this big volume spike the other day, but the reason I wouldn't have thought this is the top, and I did think it's the top at the at least temporary top until I heard the news on them. That was the day that they were added to the S&P 500. So there's a big reason for this spike, and it's not like FOMO buying or anything. If it was a big spike on FOMO buying, then I would think it would probably be the temporary top. But the reason for this huge spike is because a lot of institutions were required to buy for their funds that were tracking the S&P 500, and that's why there's that big spike over here. Otherwise, it does look like it could push further. It is looking quite strong over here. It ended at the high of the day on Friday. We got a little bit of a higher volume than the day before, increasing bull volume, but not enough to suggest that there's a reversal impending yet. But like I said, it is quite a bit overbought on the RSI and the daily, so I would exercise some caution buying here. Can we get another one of these on the weekly and head to that $400 plus mark? It's very possible because there is this huge move over here, and it was in this tightening pattern over here, and you see this breakout would have been the signal to buy. Too bad I wasn't watching it at that time. Look at that. Once it broke out, that was a signal to buy. Came back, retested it a little bit, and just pushed super hard. Looking good overall. Like I said, I have a hard time recommending it here, but at the same time, I do think it could push further in the short term. So that's my quick analysis on Moderna. Don't have too much more to say right now. This is a fairly new stock, really, when you go back. It came out in 2018. But obviously the overall trend looks good. The monthly trend, higher lows and higher highs. Weekly trend, higher lows and higher highs. Very beautiful. Beautiful chart overall. And I think part of the reason it's also rocketing is because they're talking about using mRNA technology for HIV and for cancer. And that's huge. I mean, if they're able to do that, if they're able to cure or prevent HIV or cancer, obviously, there's no explaining how massive that is and why this stock is going up. So the market is looking and anticipating that that's going to happen at some point. And Moderna is at the forefront of this technology. And look at their ticker. It's MRNA. Hype. FOMO. That's my quick analysis on Moderna. Thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to like, and sorry I said that so loud, probably hurt your ears. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, share. Please press that like button. I appreciate it so much. Have a great evening, guys.